Shipment 2 of 2. Amazon unboxing. Today is Tuesday, 7 November 2023. I placed my order, what was it, Wednesday, 1 November 2023. Theme of the day. Looking that way, because, hey, wasn't my sweet eats earlier this morning. Also, a legacy of Wednesday, 1 November 2023. Anyway, so this is the second, this is an Amazon unboxing of, I placed one order and it came in 2 shipments. So this is the second of 2 shipments. If I'm feeling ambitious, I'll look to the link in the video description to the first unboxing video. This is the second. I took my address off before. So. Shipment, and this is a long sleeve t-shirt of a brand I like. I do like my shirts a little bigger. This, I've been using my long sleeve t-shirts for running, so this one I might put in a video if I want to do a long sleeve t-shirt, or if I haven't worn them too much. Like, sometimes the wear patterns from wearing something for running can get to be like, oh, I don't want to wear this for like a nice thing anymore, kind of thing. It becomes like dedicated solely to running. So I could do that. It's not too late to switch them out. I haven't been using them that long for the road running. But this one might be one I wear in my YouTube videos. And this is just it. This is the, this shipment was only 1 item. The other shipment had more items. So again, if I'm feeling ambitious, I'll link to that video in the video description. And then maybe a link to my running playlist. And then is there anything else? Yes, as a tangent. So I'm filming this after I made a sweet eats, tentatively uploading and publishing it before I do this one. Today is Tuesday, 7 November 2023. And as an update or a tangent, I did turn in my ballot, whether it gets counted or not because of that signature thing, for today is election day, 7 November 2023. So I did what I could. I tried to remedy the signature and I did turn it in. So I did that. And I dropped it off at a physical drop box at Shoreline Library. So happy Amazon unboxing and related tangent. And happy day and time of viewing whenever you're viewing this, and happy place of viewing this wherever you're viewing this from.